All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE. And before I jump into this chart, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc., I want to welcome everybody that's a first-time viewer for watching my channel, coming across it. Welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find it informative, helpful, and worthwhile. So let's go ahead and jump into this chart. First thing is, there's been a bullish run, and this bullish run has been a pretty healthy one from the start because it was already above the 50-day moving average, and all this has done in this trend is continue to stay above the 50-day moving average and work its way in an upward direction. As the 50-day moving average is catching up to it, it's just continued, you know, to flow in an upward direction. Very interesting, very high speaking in volumes of the chart and the way it's been going up. It's not like it's just jumped once and it fell. This has been, a normal trend of a bullish run, and we'll see if they can continue to keep it. And earnings helped, I'm assuming, right? Um, and when you look at it, it wasn't even earnings that were a surprise in a good way. It was in a negative way, but I don't think people right now are worried about earnings on this stock. If anything, the potential that's about to come from this stock over time, I think that's what their main how can I say, their main goal is as investors to see the long haul. But from the point of earnings and forward, this had a upward effect. I mean, if you could see it here, it leveled out at $9, and from there it skyrocketed. So I was thinking that earnings was good, but it was actually a negative 0.12 surprise. I mean, estimate was better than what they actually reported, but yet, earnings sometimes has a significant impact depending on what industry you're in or what type of stock. But since this is a stock in the health technology and biotechnology sector, and it's working towards the COVID-19 treatment, and they have antibodies that prevent 100% inhibition and so forth. If you've done your own research and due diligence, you'll see different articles on that. But the most interesting thing is that investors are seeing this one for the long haul. They're not seeing this right now in the short term. So that tells you something about the company. Um, so the 50-day moving average is above the support, and that's significant. Reason why is because if support is below that and the support is broken through, not only did the bears break through support, but they also broke through the 50-day moving average, so ending up in bearish territory. The 50-day moving average is 1244, so keep that in mind. 1244 is the 50-day moving average. I'd write that down. As long as this stays above it, bulls are in full health. The moment it goes below it, bears are gaining control. Now the support is so close to it, I want to go straight to it. 1229. If the bears cross through 1229 and bring it down here, two things can happen. Either the bulls stock up on stocks and bring this one back up in this upward direction, right? Or the bears are going to continue to pull this further away from the 50-day moving average to newer lows and maintain it down here, gaining control. On the other hand, we have the point of resistance. This is what the bulls want to break through. If they break through it, their next point would be 1484 to watch for. And that was the highest point throughout the day in these last couple of days, right? As we can see from the bullish run. So that's significant. It got rejected from there and it's leveled out. But 1401 needs to be broken through first, right? And this closed out at 1371. So 1401, once that gets broken and used as support, this can test new resistance levels and work its way up. Until then, um, the bears may start to gain control. But if the bulls are able to do that, the bulls are continuing this rally, moving it further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction, right? And if that happens, the potential will be there for this stock. Well, it's a terrible, terrible arrow, but the potential is there for this stock to continue to work its way up to newer highs. So we'll see how this one plays out tomorrow, the rest of the week. And as always, if you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share it with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's make some money.